Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to go over manual sharing in Salesforce. Manual sharing isn't very common, but there are situations where it might be appropriate. Manual sharing is used when a user needs to share a record with another user who cannot see the record in Salesforce based upon the existing role hierarchy and sharing rules currently set up in the org. For example, a manager wants to share a record that they own with a subordinate that currently cannot access the record because they have a role below them in the role hierarchy. So to demonstrate how to manually share a record, I'm going to navigate to a lead record. So to do so, I'm going to click on the leads tab. From here, I'm going to change the list view to all open leads. I can select any of these leads because I own them all. So I'm just going to click on David Monaco. From here, to share the record, I'm going to navigate to the upper right-hand corner and click this drop down and then click on sharing. So this is where you can manually share the record. And if we click on this drop down, you can see that we can share it with another user, a public group, another role, and another role and its subordinates. For this example, I'm just going to share with another user. And since this is a playground org, I don't have a lot of other users, but I do have a user named Elon Bezos. So I'm going to share this record with Elon. You can also set the level of access that you'd like to share. So for this record, I'm going to leave it as read only, but you could also share read write, which would allow the other user to edit the record as well. I'm going to click save. Although nothing has changed on the screen, the user that I shared the record with can now see this record when they previously couldn't. I do want to point out that if you don't see this sharing button, it's likely because the manual sharing hasn't been enabled in your org. To do so, you can navigate to setup. In the quick find box, type in sharing settings, click on sharing settings. It'll bring you to this page. You'll click on edit. And if you scroll down, there's a checkbox that says manual user record sharing. You'll just check that and save. And then if you give it a minute or so and refresh the page, if that sharing button wasn't previously there, it should show up. That's all I have for today's video. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you gave it a like. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. Thank you all for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.